Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Loupedeck. First, connect your Loupedeck device to your computer using the provided USB cable. Next, navigate to the official Loupedeck website to download the appropriate software for your specific model. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the software installation. This initial setup ensures your device is recognized and ready for configuration. Now that the software is installed, launch the Loupedeck application. The software should automatically detect your connected device. If not, you might need to manually select your specific Loupedeck model from a list. It's crucial to check for any available firmware updates for your device at this stage. Keeping your firmware current ensures optimal performance and access to the latest features. With your Loupedeck recognized and updated, it's time to personalize your workflow. Select your primary editing software, such as Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop, within the Loupedeck application. You can then assign specific functions to each button, dial, and wheel. Consider creating custom profiles for different types of tasks or applications to maximize your efficiency and streamline your creative process. To further enhance your Loupedeck experience, explore the vibrant community for shared profiles and creative ideas. Many users share their custom setups, which can provide excellent starting points. Also, check out the Loupedeck marketplace for additional plugins and integrations that expand your device's capabilities. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals we've found for you. Happy editing!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.